Today we're looking at the wipeout tool. It's a great handy little tool that can help you do some reductive work that maybe you never considered before in your art, or just weren't sure how to kind of wipe out accidents. So we're going to take some acrylic, just put some heavier acrylic on here. Now one side has a nice kind of fine chisel point. The other has a rounded tip. All you have to do with this is just, you can take it on an angle, scrape back. You can actually use an end to draw or write in it. Let's say that you're working in pasto and you just need to kind of take a little bit of an edge off. You've gone over a little too far into another color. It's the perfect way to do it without having to get paint and brushes, without having to do that dreadful thing we always do to try to kind of wipe something out with our fingertip that goes horribly wrong. It's just very handy, wipes right off, ready to use again. Great with heavy-bodied paints like acrylics, with oil paints. I could even see applications where maybe you could try it with some watercolor creatively. This would be the perfect tool for those doing mixed media as well. Now, with this paint, it's heavier body. Put a little bit of paste in there. Just want to show you that it will cut right through that. You can lift a big glob out very easily and cut right down to that kind of other pretty color underneath. So it gives you a lot of really kind of fun new options that maybe you've not considered with your work. Now, the other thing where this really shines with is monoprinting. So give me just a minute to prep and we're going to show you how that works. All right, so I've got a jelly printing plate here. I've got my roller, I've got some fluid acrylic paint. It's ready to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and ink my printing plate. Now with jelly plates, you have to be really careful because you can actually cut into them, scratch into them. So anything that you use on these needs to be soft and flexible, which this is perfect for. You can push down with just a little bit of weight and look how nice and clean you can get that off. That's not something that works really well with a whole lot of other tools. Let's see what type of detail the tip can get there. All right. So move this back, and we'll see how clean that nice big pull across was. Just using a style of rice paper with some gel on the back. That gives you some pretty good, nice sharp, especially that right there. That's beautiful. And that was just with playing around, trying it, seeing what it would do. You could really master some fun techniques with this tool with monoprinting. So whether you call it the wipe off tool, the wipeout tool, this little gadget does some fun stuff. It can help you correct mistakes, and it can do some amazing printing or mixed media work.